Hello everyone. Today we will do the revenue model, and you can see the data table also, and it is also called sensitivity analysis. So let's see what is this and where do we need it. Actually, before knowing the solution, we should be knowing where do we actually need this kind of calculation which we are going to do. So let's say you have a typical revenue model in which you have a selling price, that is $20 here. Then you have the sales price, that is 1000 units. Then you have the purchase price. These are the hard coded inputs which we have given to the Excel. We know our selling price, we know our sales, and we know our purchase price also for the raw material. So now we want to do some calculation like what is the revenue for me. So revenue is nothing but it is the selling price into sales. How much you are selling, how many units you are selling multiplied with the selling price per unit, then you will get your revenue. That is this B for sell, that is selling price, multiplied by B5, that is sales. So this is how you get your revenue. These are the basic calculations. Then you have the COGS, that is nothing but the sales into the purchase price. You are multiplying your sales with the purchase price, and the difference between these two, revenue and COGS, is your operating profit. Then you have the tax rate, that is 40%. So what will be the tax amount? 40% of, that is B9, operating profit. 40% of operating profit, that is 1600. So you deduct this amount from the operating profit B9 cell, then you will get your PAT. Correct? So these are the basic calculations of in a revenue model. So now you want to you need a data table or sensitivity analysis for this. Why? Let's say these are the three inputs you have given, which we call as independent variable also. These are the hard coded and provided by us. Then you have the dependent variables, and that, like in this case, you can say your revenue, COGS, operating profit, and this your PAT. All these are your, again, tax rate is also your uh, hard coded, that is the input only. So I will make it in this color. So these are the blue, in the blue cells you can see these are the your dependent variables or output which you have calculated in the Excel or wherever. And then you have some other values which are like your independent variables, or you can say these are the inputs which you have provided to Excel. You didn't calculate them, you have them uh, like the fix. So now let's say you are thinking that what if my sales changes to selling price changes to $18, 18. What if my sales goes down or goes up by 100 units, then it will be 1100. What if my sale purchase price goes to 15 or maybe $17? So then what will be the impact on these values? So if you have only one change, then you can do calculation again, copying the things. But let's say you are thinking, you are making a sensitivity model, or you are making a like a table in which you have a lot of selling price, I mean many selling price like 18, 19, 20. You want to know your revenue or operating profit or COGS with different values. What if I change these values multiple times, then what will be the result that you want to see at different stages? Then you don't have to do the calculation every time manually. You can do you can use sensitivity analysis or data table in Excel. So in one click you will be getting the results. Like this is the one input table we are going to do. That is, you are entering only one input, that is sales unit, and these two are the output. You can take two output or one output, that is your choice, or three output. And this is the sales unit. Like you can take three output also here, like operating profit also as a output you can take. Okay, so we will take three output and one is your input. So let's say your sales unit are 1000 at this time, and you are expecting it will increase by let's say 1500. It will become 1500, 2000, or 2500. It may go down also, like maybe 900, 800, like this. Okay, so then what will be your revenue and PAT and operating profit? These are the things which you want to know. What will be the impact on these variables if I change the sales units? So for that you have just one click calculation and through data table option. So for that, like here you need to, just 1 minute, you need to put here revenue and operating profit as what is your revenue. This is the your revenue here, and this is your PAT, and operating profit is this. And for how much unit all these things, that is for 1000 units, right? So now you want to result, what will be the effect on your revenue, PAT and operating profit if you are having these many sales. So go to data, then what if analysis, then data table, and you have the your inputs in the column, not in the row. So this is these are the values which you are changing, and where do these values belong? That is this cell, sales. Actually you are changing your sales, so select sales, because you want to replace this cell with these number of sales. Then first you need to select your this table, then data table, the column input cell. This is how you are getting your output here, like 1500 units of sales. Then you will have this revenue, PAT and operating profit. Similarly at different units you will have this kind of this profit, PAT and revenue. So this is where you can estimate your revenue model just in one click. Similarly for the two input cells, two input table, you can do in the two input table. You have two inputs. Here we had only one input, that is sales unit. Now we will have two inputs, that is sales and selling price. If you are changing all these, let's take these sales only for our convenience. For saving the time, I am putting the same here. These are the sales units. Then the selling price you can take different, like here it is 20, so it may go down, so your sales will increase 19, then it is going to 18. Further your sales are increasing, so it may be 17. Then your sales are going up down, so it can be 21, 22, like that. Okay, so then what is the what is the result? For that you have this selling price and the sales, that is your revenue. So select the revenue here, and now select the complete table, go to table, data table, then you have row input cell, that is the selling price, column input is the sales. Now click OK, you'll get the result. So this is how you are getting your different results here, the different values. This is how you can do calculation of sensitivity analysis of the your data table in just one click. And that is very simple to calculate, but very useful when you have to do lot of calculation. You have large number of value sets, like here you have just 6 numbers, but you can take up to 600 also here. Then also you'll be getting results just in one click. So when you are estimating your revenues for the different inputs, then it is really useful model. For this sheet you can join the Telegram link, there you'll be getting this Excel sheet, and for any doubts you can comment in the comment box.